Hello, my sweethearts, and welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. I can't wait to show you guys this new hairstyle. It's by FreeTress, and it is Beach Curl. I like it, and let's rock it, and let's go. Alright, you guys, I started off with 8 braids and then a leave out in front. I like the leave outs with the crochet because it blends well with my hair. Okay, you guys, I got this hair from Amazon, FreeTress, 12 inches because I want it to be to my shoulder length. And okay, breaking up this hair, you can go two. You can go. I'm going two. I'm splitting it into two, but you can actually do three, depending on how thick or thin you like your hair. All right, I'm doing a coconut oil spray. Spraying this shampoo dry spray on it, it just opens it up. It makes it smell good, and it gets the sale off of it, because it comes from different places, different stores, shipments and places like that, and you don't want that sitting on your hair. So using the dry shampoo works perfectly fine for me. I do it with a lot of my hair now, and you should try it. Now, as you can see, I started from the back. I like showing you guys the back first because the back is the hardest part to do with your head. The back and like the middle part. So, you see I'm looping it once. I'm only going to tie it one time because that's all I need, You don't need all that tension on your hair anyway. So, you guys, I'm going to get to work and I'm going to see you guys at the end or maybe in the middle. I'll see you guys in a minute. All right, you guys, look at this. Awesome results. Guys, I only used 2 packs of hair on this. Just 2 packs. I had like 2 strings left over. But I'm telling you, look at it. It's full. It looks like my hair. It looks great. I enjoy this hair. I hope you guys enjoy watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on my next video.